You're welcome to LearnPod. In this lesson HTML Basics, we will learn how to write correct HTML syntax. Writing HTML is simple and sweet. My favorite text editor is Sublime Text. And now we get started. What you have to do is just right click on a folder like this. So we click on New File, and then it gives us the Untitled tab. So in this Untitled tab, we just have to save it. You press Ctrl S on your keyboard, the Ctrl S, and then this is a save prompt and asking you what file name you want. So let's just give it basic underscore html.html. Please take note, you make sure you give it .html as the end. If not, your browser will not be able to recognize it as a web an HTML document. And then we click on save. So now it's saved. So all we need to do is now create the basic HTML boilerplate code. So we'll just type in HTML opening and closing. Oh, that's fine. So this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. The difference between the opening tag and the closing tag is that the closing tag has a slash right in there. And then we had the head. We had in the head, yes. So the HTML document has a head, and then we also had in the body. Now you'll be asking, it should have maybe like a foot, something like this, but no, it doesn't have a foot. There's absolutely nothing like a foot tag. There's nothing like this. It just doesn't exist. Something like this doesn't really exist at all. It doesn't exist. So this is just the basic structure of a HTML document. Inside the head, you now have a title, my web page. Very simple. Then inside the body, we could put just a tag and say I am a paragraph. Now that's cool. So we press save. Take note, there is this bullet here. The moment I press Ctrl S, it gets saved, and then the bullet clears away. Ctrl S, you see, so now it's saved. Anytime you see the bullet, it means you have a work that is unsaved. Now this is the basic structure of a HTML document. We just highlight everything and then we delete. Why are we deleting? Well, I just want to show you a shortcut on Sublime Text. All you need to do is just type HTML and just press enter, and it gives you the whole boilerplate code. So in the title, you can just enter I am a web page. Okay, I am a web page. That's a mistake there. And then in the body, you just give it the p tag just as we did before. I am a paragraph. Paragraph. That's cool enough. Now to view this in the browser, just right click and click open in browser, and then it comes on right there. I am a paragraph. The file is basic underscore html.html. Now this is fun. So we just finished our lesson on learning how to write basic HTML syntax.